What's going on, guys? Today we are putting an oil catch can in the Supra and that's it scraping. Have a look at this. That is dead flush. Yeah, go back, man. Go back, we're gonna have to get some ramps.
We're going here.
Alright, so that's what we're doing today. And got the Supra in. The oil catch cans over here. Nice little cylinder one. Got some blue hosing. Now where we're mounting it, I'm just mounting it here. There's a little thread hole just there. That's where we'll bolt it in, screw it in even. And then we'll run the lines from here and here into there, and clean air.
Should be sweet.
Healthier car.
Bit of horsepower.
Healthier bangers. Alright, we got everything set out. Alright, we have everything set out. And we'll get started. Alright, Bangers is just taking off the intake so we can reach everything. That's where we'll mount it anyway. I'm just going to try and fit this over that. God damn. Wish me luck. I got the hose on. Time to fit the bracket. And then I think I got to get more hose as well, but I think I got some in the other shed, so hey. Alright, so we have the oil catch can mounted and fitted. It'll just be underneath. I'm pretty sure it'll fit snug over the intake. That's done. I just got to hook that back in and then get another hose to go on the in, sorry. So we've done that. Once we've done that, we'll start it up, make sure everything's right, make sure it's running properly. Yeah, that's it so far. Okay, so everything is on. Had to use a garden hose because we didn't have anything else, but that's only temporary. Still work, but so it's on. Hopefully it'll fit. I'm pretty sure it will. Yeah, that's it so far. Alright, the intake's back on. Everything fits perfect. We've just got to put the cover on, but we'll do a test start now just to make sure everything is running. Bangers will start his car. Make sure it's not in gear, mate.
Not doing that again. Ow. Come on. No, you wanna fucking start. Sorry, my immobiliser's being a cunt.
Everything is running well. So we'll put that cover back on and we'll go for a test drive. Alright, the bugger's back in the garage. Bangers is about to take the Supra for a test drive. See how it goes. How's it running, mate?
Feels better than fucking ever, dog.
That's awesome. Sweet as. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That's the video. It was only a short one. Hope you enjoyed it still though. That's the oil catch can on the Supra.